Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today I'm doing a video where I share with you items that I always try to buy at the Dollar Tree. If you've been on my channel for any length of time, you know I do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented content, makeup, hauls, and I just like to try to even take just other types of videos that you see and make them Dollar Tree oriented because I just really do love it so much. So with that said, if you love Dollar Tree oriented content, I'll have my playlist linked down below so you can check out all the Dollar Tree videos that I've ever made. And also too, if you love Dollar Tree content, definitely hit subscribe and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. It helps me and my channel out so very much and it'll bring you more content like this. So if you want to hear the items that I always try to buy at the Dollar Tree, definitely keep on watching. So the first item are those long lighters, the ones that we like to light candles with and all that good stuff. The cheapest I've ever seen when outside the Dollar Tree is $2.99. And the ones at the Dollar Tree, they last me forever. They last so long, they don't die out any quicker than ones that are more expensive in my opinion. I also like to, I don't have kids, I do understand if you have kids, but I don't have kids and so they don't have that child-proof thing where you have to slide the thing up and do it. They're easy, you just push the button down. They're thin so they fit in a drawer just perfectly if you have a drawer that's kind of overstuffed. They don't have like a big profile like some of them do. They are just amazing. I have been using them for years and so that is something that I always buy at the Dollar Tree. Some of those get really pricey. Some of those lighters are like $6.99 or $4.99. I mean, and you need one of those long lighters. You need one of those long lighters to get into the candle. I've tried to be cheap before in the past. I'm Italian, so I've always got spaghetti in my house. Try to do that thing where you light the spaghetti and go in, and it's a pain. It really is a pain. And so, so the Dollar Tree has just saved my life with those lighters. I just love purchasing them there, and like you can get 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 of them for the price that one would normally cost, and they're great. So yeah, those long lighters, just one of the best finds at the Dollar Tree. So another thing I love to buy at the Dollar Tree is plastic storage. I don't mean like food storage, I just mean like little organizing, little bins and all that stuff. They have such an array of colors, styles, and that stuff is pricey too. And usually when you buy it, you have to buy a lot of it to organize things. Go to the Dollar Tree. It is even getting cute. I mean, it's not just basic anymore. They have like stuff that's like basket weave and it comes in all different colors, all different like pastels and neons, and they've got wire baskets. They've even got laundry baskets, which are on the smaller side, but really I have a washer that has no agitator, so I can fit like a queen size comforter in my washer. And really the biggest load of clothes that I can do in my washer before I overload it or make it unbalanced fits in one of those laundry baskets. So they're small, they're light, and you shouldn't, if you have stairs, I don't, but if you have stairs that you have to go up and down, you don't want to be carrying a big heavy long just mess of a laundry basket. So the laundry baskets are really, really great. I'm even using them now just to kind of put like decor and stuff in just to get it out of the way for our renovation. So amazing, absolutely amazing. So yeah, laundry baskets, plastic storage of any kind, just top notch at the Dollar Tree. So this one here kind of goes without saying. Any kind of gift wrapping, gift bags, tissue paper, bows, party supplies. I don't really buy party supplies because I don't really have any parties, but anything gift wrap oriented. If you go anywhere else, you're gonna spend too much. And the Dollar Tree, literally, if you've never been to the gift wrapping section at Dollar Tree, it literally has everything. It's got like fancy bows, like it's got the ones that you buy like at Christmas, in the bag, but it's got like fancy ones, like ones you would pay like $4 for. Don't do that. The gift bags, I mean, if you don't get that stuff at the Dollar Tree, you are spending way, way, way too much money. So yeah, that goes without saying. Like I said, I think we all know to get our gift wrapping stuff at the Dollar Tree, but if you don't, you need to. And it's cute. It's cute. They have so many colors and styles and stuff for kids, and it does not lack in any way, shape, or form. So definitely check it out if you do not know how awesome the gift wrap section of Dollar Tree is. And I think that's one of those things too that, like, I know some people have better Dollar Trees than others. I find that to be kind of universal, like unlike makeup and some other things. I think no matter what your Dollar Tree looks like, your gift wrapping section is probably pretty good at the worst. So another thing is like hair accessories. Now I still will like buy stuff at like TJ Maxx or somewhere else, but the Dollar Tree has come a long, long way. I've been buying my hairbrushes there for years because for $1, you can't beat them. They have like wide tooth combs. They've got all kinds of brushes. They've got natural bristle. They've even got teasing combs now. I own 4 teasing combs because of shows and all that stuff. And I probably have $15 invested in them, but like it could have been $4. It could have been $4. I mean, so I think it's just amazing. They've got hair donuts. I know those cost like $5 at CVS or at Sally's, and you can get it for $1, and they have blonde and black and brown, and they've got bobby pins and really cute like headbands of all different colors. They got plastic headbands. They get scrunchies, which are like kind of coming back. I wish I could wear them. My hair is too thin and sad to wear a scrunchie, but they get scrunchies and just all kinds of hair accessories. Definitely check it out if you have not already. So another thing I love to buy at the Dollar Tree are plastic cooking utensils. For some reason in my house, we use plastic spatulas and ladles more than anything. There was a period of time, me and my husband were low carb, and so I was eating eggs every day, and I use them on nonstick pans, and I don't throw them in the dishwasher. I like to wash my plastic stuff. Having like 1 or 2 plastic spatulas isn't gonna cut it. We use them all the time. So like, I have like 4 or 5, and I just buy them at the Dollar Tree because honestly, I have some that like I bought at Walmart. You know, eventually the end gets kind of melted and gross, and they look gross, so you just throw them away. I'd rather throw one away that's $1 than throw one away that's $3. And then I also buy plastic ladles. We eat a lot of soup, and so we go through ladles like crazy. Like we might each eat soup twice a day and use a ladle, and so they will all end up in the sink. So Dollar Tree is just great for certain kitchen things. Now some things are cheap and you might want to invest in something better, but like those plastic cooking utensils, I think from the Dollar Tree are fabulous. Which brings me into the next one, which is oven mitts. You know, oven mitts, especially just cloth oven mitts, they're gonna get grungy, they're gonna get, you know, burnt at some point. I actually spent like $20 on a silicone oven mitt at Bed Bath & Beyond like 3 years ago. I never reach for it because it's too hard to bend your hands and grab the thing. So it's really nice. It's really nice, but I can't grab the pan or the cookie sheet. So I just love the dollar oven mitts, and I replace them frequently. And not even that frequently. I'll use one for like a couple years or a couple for a couple years and then decide it's time to toss them when they get gross and all that stuff. I will wash them a couple times, and then they're done, and they get so many cute styles. They get colors, and you can get them for the holidays and all that stuff. So I love the oven mitts at the Dollar Tree. So another thing are cotton rounds. Cotton rounds are, even though I don't use a ton of them anymore because I have gotten better with not using as many baby wipes and cotton pads because I use like makeup removing cloths and stuff, I still need a cotton pad every now and again, you know, and it's Dollar Tree, you get that one that, you know, you get that package of them and they are fabulous. So I will still use one to like remove glitter and lipstick and then go over my face with the makeup removing rag. It's great to have them, and it's great to just spend $1. I think you get like 100 of them for $1. You can't beat that because those are really kind of pricey. I think one time I was in CVS and I needed to buy some, or even Walmart, and they're expensive. I mean, they're like $3 or $4. So definitely get those at the Dollar Tree. So then kind of going back to like the gift wrap stuff, another thing I love to get at the Dollar Tree is like shipping, packing, kind of supplies, like shipping envelopes. Usually they come 2-pack for $1, different sizes. They also have those fancy ones that are like, they're $1 and they're like white and they're kind of more heavy duty. Love those. I get my shipping tape. You just can't beat it. Office supplies, pens, and all kinds of things. You know, I just think it's amazing what they have in their office section in general. So yeah, anything like that, I will usually just head to the Dollar Tree and get that kind of thing. As well as scissors, and I'm just gonna lump scissors in with all that stuff. I've got some scissors at work, I've got scissors in various places, and I find that the ones at the Dollar Tree work fabulous. and you're gonna lose them. So they might as well be $1. So another thing that I really love are like beach bags and totes. I have used so many beach bags and different tote bags from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm not in love with the ones that are kind of plasticky, but any of them that are kind of like cloth or a little bit more like of a canvas are fabulous. I have had those things stuffed full for years, like for a year or better, and they stay very well intact. They're just great to have. They're good size. You can get kind of whatever size you need. And, you know, things like that, again, they're pricey, and just because you pay more for them doesn't necessarily mean they're gonna last any longer. And then the bags themselves are kind of lightweight, so, you know, you're gonna stuff it full, and the last thing you need is a bag that is heavy on top of all the stuff you have in it. So I love that they're just lightweight and easy, and I buy them all the time. So a more recent discovery, and this one is super, super exciting. Of course, I have an iPhone, and I bought a couple of those tempered glass screensavers. That way, if you drop your phone, you have a prayer in the screen not shattering. I have never shattered one of my screens. Fun fact, knocking on wood. But so they've always worked. I've shattered the screensaver, but I've never shattered the screen. I think I bought one of the first tempered glass screensavers they ever came out with, and it was when the iPhone 6 Plus was brand new, and I think I paid $30 for that screensaver. Then I replaced it, and then I cracked that one actually this year. Right now on my phone, I have a Dollar Tree tempered glass screen protector. So let me tell you the story. I couldn't find one for my phone because it's an iPhone 7 Plus and it's like obsolete, so I can't just pick up a screensaver for my phone in Walmart or whatever it is. So I'd have to order online. So I was gonna do that, but I'd seen that they have them at the Dollar Tree, and I was really nervous. But they had them to fit my phone at the Dollar Tree, and I was really nervous about it. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna take off my old one and just see how they feel. They felt identical. I also had seen the same ones being sold on eBay for like $5 when I was looking on eBay to buy one, or on Amazon. So I put it on my phone, and it's been a couple months on my phone. Of course, I've dropped my phone and it hasn't cracked, my phone hasn't cracked. But I was actually recently watching a Dollar Tree haul that Kelly Strack did here on YouTube. Big channel. It was literally like 2 weeks ago or a week ago, and she bought another screensaver for her phone, another tempered glass one, the same one that I purchased, and she had one on her phone previously and dropped her phone, and the screensaver cracked and her phone did not. So they work every bit as good. Now granted, you can still crack your screen. It's not like a guarantee. It's just lessens the chance that you're gonna break it. But so now I am sold. I am so glad I spent $1, and that is where I will buy my tempered glass screensavers from now on. So it was scary. I didn't fully trust it, and now I trust it every bit as much as one that is more expensive. So yeah, tempered glass screensavers are now gonna be what I buy at the Dollar Tree. And then I've got some honorable mentions because I do buy these things elsewhere, but I do like to also sometimes pick them up at the Dollar Tree, and that is socks, gloves, beanie hats, votive candles, and decor. Like I said, these are still things that I will buy at Walmart and other places, you know, but Dollar Tree has some amazing decor. It's really gotten stepped up, so I always love seeing what Dollar Tree has to offer. And I did a recent haul where I bought a bunch of Christmas decor, and it's just amazing. I'll have it linked down below separately so you can see it. But also they have nice socks that come, you know, sometimes it's one pair, sometimes it's 2 or 3. My friend TASHA St. James, in her most recent Dollar Tree haul, linked down below, she found mossy oak socks. And she was actually looking for bum equipment ones, but she had found mossy oak. Unbelievable, for $1, I know. But my husband loves this little, it's like a little knitted hat, and he loves it. He goes outside in that all the time. He's had it for like 3 years, and he just loves it. So hats, and then like those little knitted gloves, I just love those. They're easy to get on, they keep your hands warm enough. So any of that stuff is just nice, you know, and you can just like throw an extra set of everything in your car and not have to think about it. And votive candles. In a pinch, I like to buy a little 4-pack of votive candles. One will usually last me 3 days. And what I normally like to buy is like, I think it's a 12-pack or something like that at Walmart. And they're a little smaller, they don't last me as long, but I don't always like to go to Walmart. So in a pinch, I will pick up some votive candles at the Dollar Tree as well. So I hope you enjoyed hearing the items that I love to buy at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure as time goes on, there will be more added to this list. So I imagine I will do another one of these in the future. And I didn't put makeup on that list because we all know that I love to buy makeup, and I think there's actually gonna be a separate makeup one of this because there's certain items that I just really love from the Dollar Tree makeup wise, so that'll probably be a separate video at some point. But I do hope that you enjoyed this. Definitely check out those videos and playlists and other channels that I mentioned down below in the description box. Also, if you enjoyed this video, show me you enjoyed it by giving it a big thumbs up and comment down below. What are some of the things that you always try to buy at the Dollar Tree? Definitely let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.